Enjoying a rural setting in the Surrey Hills designated area of outstanding natural beauty, Bywood is an attractive family home with grounds of just under 1/5 of an acre. The kitchen breakfast room flows through to a rear reception room, which can be used as a dining room, family room or sun lounge. This in turn opens to a sitting room with wood-burning stove. The first floor houses 3 bedrooms and a family bathroom. The rear garden features a decked area with glass balustrade, making a comfortable seating area, whilst fine views can be enjoyed from the top of the garden. To the front, an in and out driveway and attached garage provide ample parking.